What's up, runners? Welcome to IBX Running. My name is Veronica and I'll be your coach today. Today we got a 30-second HIIT interval workout. What that means is every interval today is gonna be for 30 seconds, whether it's running hard or recovery. It's gonna go quick, it's gonna be a blast, so let's get ready. We're gonna start with a brisk walk here for our warm-up like we always do. Anywhere from a 2.5 to a 4. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. I want you to start off taking a nice deep breath in for me and a slow exhale. Good. Get yourself prepared. Get yourself mentally prepped for what you're going to achieve today in this workout. Like I said, it's going to go quick. The intervals are fast, but you can do a lot during that time. If you're new here at IBX Running, if you look over here on my right, you'll see all the different speeds and all the different inclines that I'm going to talk you through during the workout. So you can always check that out to make sure that you're within that range. Every interval speed that we give you, we'll give you a range so that you can find the spot that is comfortable for you, but still challenging you. All right, over here on my left-hand side, you'll see the progression bar of us running through the workout. So you'll see that increase as we go. All right, runners, we're gonna start off with a slow jog here. You're gonna be anywhere from a 5 to a 7, just still continuing that warm-up. You got 10 more seconds. If you need a sip of water, make sure your shoelaces are tied. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 5 to a 7. Nice, easy jog here. Like I said, this is still your warm-up. So I want you to make sure that you could still talk during it, right? You should still feel good. Good. And this is a great time to kind of check over your form, right? Make sure the head is up. We don't want to be staring down. Shoulders down and back. Open up that chest so you can take those nice deep breaths in. We're swinging those arms from our shoulders, right? Driving those elbows back. Good. Make sure core is nice and tight. Core, literally the center of your body, but it's the center of everything that we do with our running. We want to keep that core to stabilize our body as we move. Excellent. Make sure when you're cycling and you're pushing that foot into the treadmill, you're not slapping that treadmill, right? You're driving that foot down so that it can rebound back up, heel coming underneath your hips, and then cycling back around. Here we go, runners. Nice job. Find that form. Everyone's form's a little bit unique to themselves, right? Here we go. You got 1 more minute at this speed here in our warm-up. Woo! So like I said, this is our 30-second HIIT interval workout. All right, you're gonna have 10 high-intensity intervals. They're all at 30 seconds. I'm gonna give you a range for that speed. You can make this progressive. If you wanna start at the lower end, go to the faster end. You could really challenge yourself, stay at the faster end and hold the whole time. If you're new with us, and you want to start at the lower end and make it through the entire workout and be proud of that, do it, all right? That's what's so great about what we do here. It matches you, your fitness level, and your goals. Whew. Here we go, runners. Start to warm up that body. In 20 seconds here, we're gonna finish off that warm up. We're gonna just increase that speed. Wherever you are, I want you to just add 0.5 to it. Whew. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Add 0.5 to it. There you go. Stay nice and tall. We're here for 1 more minute. And then we start our 30-second intervals. Now, 30 seconds, it goes super, super quick. All right? So the point of high intensity is for you to go really fast. Push your limits. All right? Fight to go faster, fight to go harder, challenge yourself, because before you know it, that interval is over and we're already in that recovery interval. So in between all 10 intervals, you're gonna have a nice recovery for 30 seconds. All right, runners, 30 more seconds here. Our range that we're gonna have for our speed is anywhere from a 6.5 to a 9. All right, think about where you wanna be, what you wanna accomplish in today's workout. Woo! Let's go, IBX. Last 10 seconds here. Once we get started, we're rolling. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6.5 to 9. Let's go. It's only 30 seconds, right? So that means I want you to go for it. Woo! As your speed picks up, you're gonna have to change your cadence a little bit. That's the cycle. That rhythm, how fast your legs are moving, right? Change that up, but still keep it smooth. Woo! Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to 3, to a 4. And there you go. 30-second recovery. All right, one done. Now that you see what it's like, you see how quick it is, make yourself achieve more. Make yourself push more. 15 seconds recovery here. Like I said, those interval speeds, 6.5 to 9, we're staying there. Whole workout. You make those changes. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6.5 to 9, let's go. Woo, number 2, it's only 10. Let's go. The days that you don't want to run, the days that you don't want to train are the days you must train. The speeds you don't want to go, you're too scared to go to, you must go to. Because those are the days, those are the speeds that matter. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take it down, 3 to a 4. Woo, and there you go, 2 down. All right, there you go, runners. So quick. During those 30 seconds, right, we want to take it up a level. We want to take it up a notch. The point of interval training is to really pick up that heart rate. It helps us, right? It's going to make us better. It's going to improve our stamina. It's going to improve our speed. It's going to improve our body composition. Let's work hard during those 30 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bring it. Let's go, runners. Come on. 30 seconds to make a change. 30 seconds to make a difference. When you go faster and you go harder, you start to feel fatigue in your legs. You start to feel pain in your legs. But you know what? That pain will go away. That fatigue will go away. But you need that in order to go faster and harder. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down, 3 to a 4. There you go. Already back at that recovery. Woo! There you go, runners. There you go. Awesome job. Remember that pain, it's already disappearing, right? You already forgot about it. So I want you to hit that speed or go faster. What are you trying to accomplish today? 10 seconds, let's go. Deep breath in with me. Slow exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 30 seconds, runners. Woo. There you go, fight with me. Stay strong, think of your rhythm, think of your form. You hold your form together, everything else will follow through. You'll be able to maintain that speed. But when you let form fall apart, we're just going backwards. We wanna learn how to run properly and run strong. You got 4, 3, 2, 1, take it down. Woo! There you go, runners. Another one down. Another one bites the dust. Woo! There you go. Grab a sip of water if you need. Excellent, excellent job, runners. You're coming up on number 5 here. This might be a quick workout, so make it a tough workout, right? Because you've had tough days. You've had tough training before. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, pick it up. All right, do you remember those days that the workout was so hard, that your days were just so challenging, you didn't want to get on the treadmill, right? Those are the days, though, that shaped who you are. Those are the workouts that have shaped you into the runner you are. 10 seconds here. And you know what? You have survived every single one of those days, every single one of those workouts. 3, 2, 1, take it off. So this one, you'll survive also. All right? 5 down, 5 to go. That's that halfway mark. Evaluate what you've done so far and think about where you want to go. What do you want to do in that second half? It's going to go so much quicker now. All right, I want you to move. You have a huge range for speed, 6.5 to 9. All right, let's get somewhere that really challenges us. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it, IBX. Come on. 30 seconds. It's go time. Second half. Woo. Be tough. There you go. You'll notice your stride starts to open up as you pick up speed, right? It's because you have to push harder. Get some of that leg separation. Open it up. Drive into the treadmill. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. 3 to a 4 for that recovery walk. IBX, how are we feeling? Woo! You're feeling good, I know it. Runner's high, come on. 30-second recovery here. You have 4 more left. All right, 4 more. Let's make it happen here. Get through this workout, get through each interval. This 30-second, this one that you're about to do, number 7. What speed? Think about it now. And let's go. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Hit that speed. Now, don't worry about what speed it was. Just go with it. Go with it. Maybe it's too fast, that's okay, go with it. Fight for it. Stay tall, my friends. Open up the chest, drop the shoulders, release the tension. If you can keep that upper body relaxed, lower body will stay relaxed too. Woo! Let's go, 5, come on. 3, 2, 1. Take it off, 3 to 4. There you go. And another one down. Woo! Runners, I'm so proud of you. You got 3 more left. This is number 8. All right, 6.5 to 9. That's your range. You came into this workout with a plan in mind. All right, maybe you were too tired, you had to get something in. Maybe you really wanted to fight. Let me see it. 3, 2, 1. Let me see it. Right here. There you go. Step into it. Hold yourself together. Remember that core is the center. Keep it tight. Pull that belly button in. Contract the rib cage. Let's fly through this one. Come on, runners. Woo, 10 seconds. All right, reel it in. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it off. Woo, 2 more. Can you believe it? I wasn't lying when I said it's gonna go quick. Quick and intense workouts. They're really great to add in to those tough days, maybe those crazy days. Maybe you're like, Veronica, I don't have time for IBX today. You do. You got 15 minutes that you can throw in, hop on that treadmill, tie those shoelaces, and fight really hard. Get a good sweat on, challenge yourself. 3, let's go. 2, 1, you have time. You have 30 seconds of time right now. Let's go. Find out who you are today. Find out how tough you are. Come on, runners. Woo, you got it. 15 seconds. Who are you? Come on. Let's go. Stay with me. Right here at the end, you got 3, all the way, 2, 1, take it off. Runners, here you are. Last interval, number 10. Number 10, all right? This is the one, everything in. All right, all in for this last 30 second, and then we cool down. All right, let's go, runners. 6.5 to 9. That hasn't changed. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Hit it. 30 seconds for the end. 30 seconds for you, runners. Here's your time. What are you gonna do? 20. Countdown's going. I wanna see you move. Woo! Let's go. You got 10. Come on. Awesome job, IBX. Hit that plus sign, why not? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down, 3 to a 4. Recovery right here. Woo! All right, runners. Excellent, excellent job. Finish out this recovery part. Our 10th recovery, 30-second here. I'm so proud of you guys. You got 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna take that speed down just a little bit more for our full cool down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down, 2.5 to 3.5. Just take it down a little bit lower than where you are now. Open up that chest. We're gonna be here for a minute. If you wanna continue walking, please feel free, let that heart rate come down nice and slow. Now that you completed it, can you look back and be like, wow, she was right. It was gonna go quick, it was short, it was intense, and now I feel good. All right, remember, you're gonna have those challenging days. You're gonna have those busy, crazy days, those tough days where you're like, I don't have time to run, I don't have time for myself. I promise you do. These workouts are key and they're perfect for that. Get on that treadmill, tie those shoes, Zone in, blast your music, blast our music, and let's go for 15 minutes. Awesome job, runners. You got 15 more seconds here with me. Grab that sip of water. Wipe that sweat off your face. Be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. Here we go, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Congratulations on completing another workout with us, your 30-second HIIT interval workout. Thank you so much for joining us here at IBX Running, and we'll see you next time.